to my channel and welcome back to our kitchen. We're having a little baking moment today. Tell them what we're making.
Cheesecake churro.
Churro cheesecake.
Making churro cheesecake, baby. My favorite.
Yes, churro cheesecake. I'm pretty excited. You don't need that many ingredients and it seems like it's pretty easy to make. So I guess we'll find out today. So don't forget to subscribe before we get started. I'm gonna share the ingredients right now. And if you guys are ready, then let's go ahead and get right into it. You're gonna need 3 bars of cream cheese, some sour cream, sugar, 2 crescent dough sheets, butter, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and an egg is optional. Okay, so let me explain how this is gonna go, you guys. We're gonna mix 1 cup of sugar and then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and this is gonna be like the outer kind of like churro outside, you know, like the sugar. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer that on the pan. Then we're gonna go in with one of these. Then we're gonna go in with the cheesecake filling. And then we're gonna go in with another one of these. And then we're gonna top it off with this again, so. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is spray down our pan. And then we're gonna go in with some of our mix here. All right, so here I'm just kind of like doing one of these just so it could be like evenly coated, you know? Kind of gonna put the excess out. All right, and Michael is now coming in with the dough. He's really stressed out about it. He's not really showing it, but he's pretty stressed.
No.
Yeah, you are. It smells a little. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and spread it in here. It's like slippery because of the sugar.
The sugar kind of helps it slide, actually.
Really? I don't know. It kind of feels like we're like messing it up. But it's okay.
Well, it doesn't matter. It's not like you're gonna showcase the bottom.
But you want it to be like snug.
Oh, all of a sudden.
You know what I mean?
I don't know if the other one looked too snug. You
Wasn't
folded
that
it in
snug?
front of her.
It was, you know, I don't know.
Here's what it is. We continue.
I don't know. We're kind of ruining the bottom, but
we continue.
It's okay. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. All right, so we have our 3 bars of cream cheese. I added 1 cup of sugar. Now we're gonna go in with 1/3 cup of sour cream. Got stuck in there. Now we're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then an egg is optional. We saw different recipes where they did use eggs and they didn't use eggs. Some used 3. We're gonna go ahead and just use 1, but like I said, optional. We haven't tasted it, so we don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we'll let you guys know.
Put a little bit of cinnamon in it. Cinnamon in it. And I think it's gonna give it a good taste. That's pretty cool.
Let me see how this is.
Yeah, it's
Let me see, I'm gonna taste it. You guys, I would definitely recommend adding like a dash, just like a dash of cinnamon, because it does taste it. Oh, you couldn't lick it?
And you.
Yeah, me.
Like a little lizard. Let's get it. Oh, that tastes good.
That's hella good.
That's exciting. 1 egg.
That is so exciting. Wow. Our recipes kind of fit. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and bring the pan over, my love. Please, thank you so much. All right, so you guys, seriously, the dash of cinnamon, I think really did that because you can kind of see like the cinnamon pieces in there. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and lay this out and just kind of like spread it. There we go.
Come on, turtle, you're slow.
I want to lay it all out.
How big does how thick does the layer have to be?
Well, that's why I want to lay it all out so I can evenly layer it.
No,
you know what I mean?
You layer as you can to see, because if you put too much,
you're gonna.
Okay, just go. I feel like that's a lot already.
Well, but we're gonna layer it evenly throughout.
Okay, we'll go for it. You need more?
Can you give me more?
Well, how thick does it have to be?
There's no rules. We are making it.
Okay.
This is how it is when we're in the kitchen, you guys.
It's because I like direction and I like things to be precise.
But you guys know what I'm saying? Like if you just lay it all out, then you just kind of spread all of it. You know what I mean? And you can spread an even layer.
So there's only one layer in between?
Yeah.
Okay. We're coming out over here. I didn't really know that we're going to put another layer.
Huh?
But I'm tripping.
Michael wanted a tres leches cheesecake. Is what was happening here, right? Are you okay? Are you part okay?
You know when you see kids draw out of the lines and you're like, stay in the lines.
Shut up. And you totally drew out of the lines, Michael. I was the one who stayed in the lines.
Okay, Yesenia, you won. What did you win?
Can you give me some more?
Nothing. She always trying to play lawyer against me. She always tries to play lawyer. And any of you guys, like, I understand. I'm sure other couples do the same. But which one of you guys are the lawyer of the relationship?
Which one are you?
Yeah, which one are you?
Are you the lawyer or are you the one that doesn't win? I'm the lawyer. So here we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and lick my finger. And then we're gonna put the other layer on top. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it over here. All right, so now this is kind of what we're looking like here. And then we're gonna go in with that cup of sugar that we had. And we're just gonna go ahead and
spread it evenly.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and glaze it. All right, you're glazing. Nice.
Glaze, glaze.
Glaze, glaze, glaze. I'm gonna link the original recipes that we got it from. We kind of meshed two different recipes together, so I'm gonna link both of them just in case you guys have any doubts or questions. But okay, look at this. Now we're gonna pop this honey in the oven.
Pop it, pop it.
Pop it in there, and we're gonna leave it in there for 30 minutes. This is what it's looking like right now. Oh my God, that looks so good. All right, guys, so we've pulled it out of the oven. Now we're just gonna go ahead and wait for it to cool a little bit before putting it in the fridge to chill. All right, guys, so here we have hella pieces of cheesecake. That's like way too much for us. I kind of want to taste the piece just like without the ice cream first, just to see what it looks like.
What it looks like?
Or what it tastes like.
Don't tell me nothing. Poker face. Poker face.
What a dramatic...
I'm trying to not show any expression right now.
I can tell that you liked it.
I love it.
It's so good, huh?
I love it.
Let me see the fork.
This is gonna be...
You guys, it's honestly so good.
That's gonna be...
Like, it's really good. Like, I would say go with our recipe. 1 egg, add some cinnamon to the...
Vanilla bean ice cream. This has to be it. I just know it. Yes. I'm just glad we got it on the first try, guys.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
It's honestly, it's better than the cheesecake from the store. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like you can really taste the cream cheese, which I'm into. So if you're into the cream cheese, I think our recipe was really good. And I say our recipe just because, like I said, we kind of morphed two different recipes together. And they're pretty similar, but an egg can make a difference. A little bit of cinnamon can make a difference. You know what I mean?
Yes, it can.
So...
It's a hit. I'm with it.
It's totally a hit.
I'm with it. Dang. That's the tough thing. Is having desserts in your house and just letting them watch you when you walk by. That's gonna be the tough part.
We love the last piece. That's good. That's hella good.
I always wonder why they put like mint on food and stuff. It's just
cute.
Yeah, to dress it up, but I wonder how it tastes with it. I'm gonna try it with a little bit.
I mean, it's gonna taste minty.
Maybe it's to like clear up your palate.
No, I think that's coffee beans.
Wow.
You guys, it seriously is really good.
Okay. I don't think you should put that much butter on it. I kind of overdid it with the butter on top.
Because it doesn't really have like a churro.
It don't have that churro on top.
It has more of like a glazed.
Yeah, so tip, don't put too much butter. Just a little layer of butter so you can taste the powder of the churro on top. Right?
Mm-hmm. Because it did kind of moisten it a little bit.
Yeah.
I think that's the only thing.
It still tastes like churro though.
But it's honestly really good.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Mmm. Mmm.
I'm with it. And we're not over exaggerating.
The cream cheese is really good.
Oh.
I feel like it tastes like the good cheesecake.
Cheesecake. It's cheese and cream. Oh.
Well, I know, but you know, like some cheesecakes at the store, those ones that are in the round thing that sometimes are not really like.
Well, baby, anything homemade is, well, if you make it right, tastes pretty good.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed baking churro cheesecake with us. Please let me know down below in the comments what else we should bake or make, because I'm into this little series where we try different things and we make different things, and it also helps me because I learn how to make new recipes. Don't forget to tag us on your stories if you guys do decide to make this, and let me know what you guys thought, like what were your thoughts on it. But yeah, we love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload, and we will talk to you guys next time.